Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Mathematics. In this video let's try to solve this really interesting, relaxing and great question. So we have 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. On the first side this is like the easiest question you've ever seen because we don't have like squares, we don't have any parentheses, square roots, so it's not like a complicated, a long expression. We have only division and we have only 5 all the time, so it's really great to solve this question. But here's our question: what is the correct answer? Right here we have 3 options, and what is the correct answer? What do you think? Right now I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself, and we will check our answers here in just 30 seconds. It will be really interesting, just trust me. This is a really great question and you can easily check your school knowledge, your algebra skill right here easily, and we will check our answers. Okay, but first of all I want to write this expression right here. So we have 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 and divided by 5. So one part of students solve it like that. They say, okay, 5 divided by 5 in the beginning, this is equal to 1, yeah? And we have the same expression, 5 divided by 5 equal to 1 as well. So on the left hand side we have 1 and on the right hand side we have 1, and with this division in the middle, so we have 1 divided by 1 equal to 1. So it looks like option A is a correct answer. So a lot of students solve it like that. They say, okay, a correct answer is A, because they solve the problem in different order. So they go with left hand side, then right hand side, so they just jump from left to right. But here's our main question: is it correct or incorrect? For this question I want to suggest you to look at this PMDMC order of operation. This is the main popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific, graphing calculator works according to PMDMC. I respect every order of operation, for example BODMAS, but in this question let's look at this PMDMC order of operation, because right here we just solve it wherever we want. We just go from left to right, so we don't pay attention to a correct order. But let's solve this question according to PMDMC, and then we will check our answer. Maybe A will be a correct answer, I don't know exactly, but let's solve it. So we have 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 and divided by 5. So here's our question, and right now let's solve it according to a correct order of operation. Okay, let's look at it. According to this order goes from the top to the bottom, and we need to look at the steps. So first step, parentheses. As you can see, we don't have any parentheses because this is like a regular expression without any parentheses. So we just skip this part, which is really great. The next step, exponents. What about exponents? As for me, I don't see any exponents right here. We don't have any squares, cubes right here in our case. So I just skip this part. So we don't have any exponents, which is really great, because with parentheses and exponent this expression will be like more complicated, and without these steps this is really great expression. Okay, let's go to the next step, multiplication and division part. A lot of students do this common mistake. They say multiplication and they find multiplication sign, and after multiplication they find division. But multiplication and division, this is one common group, and we need to look at it in the perspective of a group. We need to look at this as a group. So right here we have division, so this is our case, we need this expression. Then we have division as well, so we also need this, and we have division. So our expression is, for this case, multiplication and division part. Multiplication, we don't have multiplication of course, but we have division part. Okay, this is division part, we have it. And moreover, we don't have any addition and subtraction group, yeah, so we can easily reject this one and this one. So we have only division part, which is really great. So right now we need to know what we need to do at first: divide right here, or divide right here in the end. According to PMDMC, a correct answer is the next. What we need to do at first? This one or this one or this one? And here is my answer. We need to look at this. What is the first sign from left to right? Right here I have a left hand side, right here right hand side, and let's look at this in a perspective of left and right hand side. On the left hand side we have this division sign, so we need to start from this division at first. So we have 5 divided by 5 equal to 1, and then we still have this expression, so I just wanted to rewrite it: 1 divided by 5 and divided by 5. Okay, what are we going to do next? Absolutely the same thing. We still have division part right here and right here. So what is the first sign from left to right? The first sign from left to right is this division. So 1 divided by 5 we can write not in a decimal form but in a fraction form. We can write it as 1 over 5, and divided by 5 we still have this 5. So 1 over 5 divided by 5, our answer is 1 over 25, which is option C. So as you can see, we have completely different answers, this one and this one, and a lot of students ask me, but which one is correct? Of course my answer is the next. This one is absolutely correct because we solve into a correct order of operation. This one is absolutely incorrect. We just solve it wherever we want, from left to right. We cannot do that in math. We need to look at it and we need to solve it according to order of operation. So I write right here our answer. And I hope your answer is the same as mine, but I wanted to record this video because a lot of students goes wrong with this. A lot of students solve it as one right here. So a lot of students, everyone make this mistake, and I wanted to record this video because the correct answer is 1/25. So this is my solution to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your time and have a great day. I wish you all the best in your math, and thank you for video, and see you in the next videos.